Hello, we are team number 1. We are going to talk about the CIO role and responsibilities. In the 90s, the CIOs were chosen among the ranks of IT people because IT only provided commodity technology services, and the CIO had to be a technology person. However, the role of IT has been changing during the last decade, and now IT has more importance for the business by creating competitive advantages with technology-enabled solutions. During the first decade of the 21st century, the main responsibilities of the CIO have been building and running a professional, cost-efficient, and lean IT organization. While these abilities are still needed, they no longer determine the success of the CIO. The world is changing. Smartphones are transforming the demand patterns of consumers, both internal and external. Organizations need to adapt to the demands of this technology-enabled world to create a customer-perceived value, and that is why CIOs need to evolve to respond to new business expectations, while ensuring continuity in the management of traditional enterprise IT. In addition to the changing demand patterns, nowadays we have more technology offers such as cloud-based IT, operational processes automation, and new digital technologies. CIOs will have to reskill their IT workforce to build hybrid businesses and IT skills, to leverage the new offers and fulfill the new demands from internal and external information consumers. With more services going to the cloud, the operational costs and the skills needed to run IT will go down. It means that CIOs and their IT organizations will need to focus more in the design and implementation of technology-enabled, information-rich, and transformed business processes. From the IT operations through innovations, new skills are needed to leverage the new technology offers. For operations, CIOs must improve the delivery of automated IT services. For design and build, CIOs must increase process automation and information availability. And for innovations, CIO must exploit new technologies to deliver new business solutions. Indeed, we are entering a digital era. According to SIP, more than 95% of the world's data has been generated in the past 5 years alone. What are the effects of this digital era on organizations? First, we need to know all the characteristics of the digital era. According to Gartner, the next digital decade will have the following 5 characteristics. Dynamic, rapid, disruptive technology innovation, with customer involvement in the definition, creation, and viability of offering, sets a dynamic connotation in the enterprise business environment. Diverse, variance is the source of continuous value, creating a ground for new ideas and future value. Driven by consumers. Consumers' engagement determines value. We are shifting from sellers to buyers market where consumers are willing to pay for premium products or services if they meet their needs, creating a customer perceived value. Collaborative. Consumers, designers, fabricators, and others from around value opportunities for fluid and dynamic co-creations. Companies need to integrate different vendors to create value. Combinatorial. There are plenty of opportunities for innovation with our current technology because technology progress is combinatorial. People are combining ideas to create new ones, and some of these ideas, with the right business model, can be very innovative. Organizations need a new breed of CIOs to help them adapt themselves to this digital era. According to Gartner, there are 5 key characteristics that will distinguish the new breed of CIO from its traditional roots and are needed to be successful in the next digital decade. Business understanding. Traditional CIOs have a basic knowledge of how the business operates. CIOs now need to understand how business competes, makes money, and delivers products and services. Primary focus. The traditional focus has been how to apply technology to enable productivity. How do we do things? The new focus needs to be combining technology with information and human capabilities to find new ways of competing and new revenue streams. Scope of accountability. The traditional role has been managing the IT organization and focusing it towards the business. New CIOs need to orchestrate customers, distributed IT development, and technology and business suppliers. In addition, CIOs need to focus on consumer value and an integrated technology-enabled business response. Planning approach. The traditional approach to planning has been creating and maintaining an annual IT strategy and making incremental updates each year. However, CIOs need to focus now on continuous hypothesis formation, risk assessment, and experimentation, supported by long-term planning methodologies such as forecasting and scenario planning. In addition, CIOs must be constantly exploring for technology disruptors and innovation that could drive the next business success. Measure of success. CIOs have always been measured by the cost-efficient performance of the IT organizations and the reliability of enterprise systems. Now they must be measured by the successful management of business outcomes enabled by technology. As a conclusion, we can see, based on articles and interviews, that the role of the CIO is a unique corporate position because it needs a broad range of capabilities, and it does not have specific requirements besides running IT operations. We could say that a CIO needs to play several roles at once. A CIO is a manager of people, a manager of infrastructure, an application deliverer, and a solution broker, a financial manager, a business expert, a customer-facing and marketing professional, a corporate leader, and an innovation collaborator. Thank you.